Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to export Google Sheets to an image format like JPG, JPEG, or PNG. Now, here's something important you need to know right from the start. Google Sheets doesn't have a direct built-in feature to export your spreadsheet as an image file, but don't worry, there's a simple workaround that will get the job done perfectly. Let me walk you through the solution step by step. First, open your Google Sheet. Once you have your spreadsheet open, and everything looks exactly how you want it to appear in the final image. Navigate to the top menu bar and click on File. This will open a drop-down menu with various options for managing your document. From this menu, click on Download. You'll see several export format options appear. What we're going to do here is select PDF. This converts your spreadsheet into a PDF document, which we can then transform into an image in the next steps. Go ahead and click on PDF, and then the file will begin preparing for download. Once you click it, you might see an export dialog appear depending on your browser settings. Click Export to confirm and start the download. Your Google Sheet will now be saved as a PDF file to your computer. Wait for the download to complete. You'll usually see a notification at the bottom of your browser or in your Downloads folder once it's ready. Now that you have your PDF file downloaded, it's time to convert it into an image. Open a new tab in your browser and search for PDF to image. There are several online tools available for this, but for this example, we're going to use a website called I Love PDF. It's free, user-friendly, and works great for quick conversions like this. Once you're on the I Love PDF website, look for the PDF to image tool and open it. On the conversion page, you'll see a button that says Select PDF File. Click on this button and a file browser will open. Navigate to the location where your Google Sheet PDF was downloaded, select it, and click Open. The file will upload to the website. This might take a few moments depending on your file size and internet connection, so just be patient while it processes. Once your file is uploaded, the next step is to click on Convert to JPG. This button initiates the conversion process, transforming your PDF pages into individual JPG image files. The website will process your document and you'll see a progress indicator showing that the conversion is underway. Again, wait until this process is fully complete before moving forward. When the conversion finishes, you'll see a button that says Download JPG Images. Click on it and all your converted images will download to your computer, usually as a zip file if there are multiple pages. You can then extract and use these images however you need. And that's it. You've successfully converted your Google Sheet into an image format using a simple two-step process. Even though Google Sheets doesn't offer direct image export, this workaround gives you full control and high-quality results. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.